Students, this is our third lecture of second chapter real number. Our today's point is third. मराठीमध्ये करणी. In last lecture we learned the rational and irrational number. Like suppose 2 is rational number and radicand 2 we can call this as under root 2 also. It is irrational number. 2 ही परिमेय संख्या आहे तर करणी 2 ही अपरिमेय संख्या आहे. Now we have to learn what are the surds. आता करणी कोणाला म्हणायचं ते आपल्याला शिकायचं आहे. Okay. Now suppose n is any integer greater than 1. Any integer greater than 1 and nth root of a is x. Nth root of a is x, then it is written as radicand a, nth root of a is equal to x. Okay. n ही कोणतीही एक पेक्षा मोठी पूर्णांक संख्या असेल आणि a चा n वा घात x असेल तर ते याप्रमाणे लिहिलं जातं where a is equal to positive rational number. A is positive rational number and n is the root of a and its value is x, and suppose x is irrational number. X is irrational number, then it is called as surd. जर a ही कोणतीही धनपरिमेय संख्या असेल आणि तिचा n वा घात x असेल आणि x ही अपरिमेय संख्या असेल तर त्या संख्येला करणी असे म्हणतात. ओके. नाउ हाउ surds are represented. Okay. Suppose this is radicand. This is called as radical sign. This is called as radical sign. मराठीमध्ये याला आपण करणी चिन्ह म्हणतो. मराठीत याला आपण काय म्हणतो? करणी चिन्ह म्हणतो. रॅडिकल साइन. n is order of surd. n is what? Order of surd. Order of surd means what? करणीची कोटी. Order of surd म्हणजे करणीची कोटी. And a is called radicand. A is called radicand. मराठीमध्ये radicand म्हणजे काय? करणिस्थ संख्या. Radicand means what? करणिस्थ संख्या. This is all about a surd. This sign is radical sign. मराठीत त्याला या चिन्हाला करणी चिन्ह म्हणतात. n is the order of surd. त्याला करणीची कोटी म्हणतात. करणिस्थ संख्या. A is a radicand म्हणजे करणिस्थ संख्या. Okay. If we take example, how we can read it? Radicand 2 of order. Here order is not written, and when the order is not written, it is always 2. Remember, जेव्हा करणिस्थ संख्येची कोटी लिहिलेली नसते तेव्हा ती किती असते? 2 असते. Okay. So we can read it as radicand 2 of order 2. Radicand 5 of order 3. It is, yes, radicand 7 of order, yes, correct, 4. That way we can read the surd. Now quadratic surd. मराठीमध्ये त्याला वर्गकरणी असे म्हणतात. What are quadratic surd? Suppose I say it is not done. Suppose I write here आय सेड दॅट दीज ऑल आर क्वाड्रॅटिक सर्ट्स. या सर्व वर्गकर्णी आहेत किंवा ही सगळी उदाहरणं वर्गकर्णीची आहेत. यांच्यामध्ये काय साम्य आहे? व्हॉट इज द सिमिलरिटी बिटवीन ऑल these 4 examples? Their radicand is different, but their order is same, and that is 2. When the order of surd is 2, then it is called as quadratic surd. जेव्हा करणीची कोटी ही 2 असते तेव्हा त्या करणीला काय म्हणतात? वर्गकरणी असे म्हणतात. Now radicand 2, radicand 3, radicand 5, radicand 7, these are the simplest form of surds. ते करणीचं अतिशय सोपं रूप आहे. So our next point is to write the surd in simplest form. Simplest form of surds. मराठीमध्ये करणीचे सोपे रूप. Radicand 2, it is simplest form. Radicand 3, it is also simplest form of. Okay, but suppose I write here radicand 32. It is not the simplest form of the surd. हे करणीचं सोपं रूप नाही का? इथे ऑर्डर किती आहे? 2. The order of surd is 2. कोटी 2 आहे. So we have to factorize 32 as one factor is complete square. मग आपल्याला या 32 चे असे अवयव पाडायचे की एक पूर्ण वर्ग असला पाहिजे. नेहमी अवयव पाडताना 1 पासून सुरू करायचं. समजा 32 एक 32, पुढचा 2 घ्यायचा, 16 दुणे 32, मग 16 आणि 2 मध्ये कोण पूर्ण वर्ग आहे? तर 16 आहे. नाही सापडला 16, समजा एखाद्या उदाहरणात दुसऱ्या, तर 3 घ्यायचा, 3 गुणिले, आणि असं आपण अवयव शोधू शकतो. Here we can write 16 into 2. 16 is complete square of 4. Sorry. Now order power same, so 4 out of radicand we can write 4 radicand 2. That is the simplest form. Another example, radicand 9 in radicand 98. We can solve it as similar. 91 into 98 into 1 second 2 into 49. 49 is a complete square. Yes. 49 हा कोणाचा वर्ग आहे? तर हा 7चा वर्ग आहे. Order power same, so we can write 7 into radicand 2. Another example, 16 of order 3. Now here we have to factorize 16 as one factor is a cube of another number. 16 चे आपण असे अवयव करायचे की एक अवयव हा कोणाचा तरी घन असला पाहिजे. Again the same, 16 with the 16, 2 into 8 of order 3. Here 2 is not cube of anything, any number, but 8 is cube of 2. So we can write 2चा घन 8 आहे. Order power same, so we can write 2 outside the radicand, 2 radicand 3. Simplest form. करणीचं सोपं रूप. समजतंय? या प्रकारे अनेक उदाहरण पुस्तकात आहे, ते सोडवण्याचा प्रयत्न करा. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज like surds. मराठीत सजातीय करणी. When two surds are given, we can say that they are like surds only when their radicand is same and their order is same. Understand? We can say two surds are like surd only when their order is same and their radicand is same. दोन करणींना आपण सजातीय करणी तेव्हाच म्हणू शकतो जेव्हा त्यांची कोटी आणि करणीस्थ संख्या सारखी असेल. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, radicand 45. Okay, radicand 45 and radicand 125. Now, in both the surds, their radicand is not same at this present position, but their order is same. But we can factorize 45 as 9 into 5. We get one factor of smaller number. We can factorize this another number. We take the one factor common. We know that 25 into 5. Okay. So 9 is order is 2, so square we have to find. 9 is square of 3, 5. 25 is square of 5, 5. Order power same, 3 out of radicand 5. Here 5 out of radicand 5. Now their radicand is same and their order is same. Now they are like such. या इथे बघा कर्णीची संख्याही सारखी आहे आणि कर्णीची कोटीही सारखी आहे. आता त्या सजातीय करणी आहेत. We can take another example of like this. Suppose 16 of order 3, 128 of order 3. We have to factorize as one factor is cube of the number. So we can write 8 into 2 of order 3 here. 64 into 2 of order 3. 8 is the cube of 2 into 2. 64 is the cube of 4 into 2. Order power same, so 2 out of radicand. Here also order power same, so 4 out of radicand. Now their radicand and their order is same, so they are like such. बघा इथे आता त्यांची करणीची संख्या आणि करणीची कोटी परत सारखी आहे. या सजातीय करणी आहेत. You can solve the remaining examples of book. Now last point of today's lecture, that is comparison of surds. करणींची तुलना. How we can say that which surd is greater and which is smaller one? We have to compare them. Okay. Suppose radicand 2 and radicand 7. It is very easy. Which is greater one, which is smaller one? We know that radicand 7 is greater one. But suppose radicand 2 of order 3 is there and radicand 3 of order 2 is there. Okay, it is not easy as the first one example, and the other examples of book like 2 into radicand 2 of order 2 is here. 3 into radicand 3 of order 2 is there. We have to solve this example first. Now order is 2, so we can write 2 in radicand, so it's square, it is 2. Here 3 in radicand, so it is square into 3. 2 square is 4 into 2. 3 square is 9 into 3. 4 2s are 8, and here 9 3s are 27. Now we can say which number is greater one? Radicand 27 is greater than radicand 8, so we can write 2 radicand 2 less than 3 radicand 3 of order 2. इथे करणीच्या बाहेरची संख्या आपण करणीत टाकताना जो ऑर्डर आहे त्याप्रमाणे त्याचा वर्ग किंवा घन त्याप्रमाणे करायचं, आणि जेव्हा त्यांची ऑर्डर सारखी आहे आणि मग करणीतल्या संख्येची तुलना करायची आणि आपण मोठी संख्या ठरवू शकतो. अनदर एक्झाम्पल, 5 into radicand 2 of order 3, 6 into radicand 3 of order 3. Here also if we have to multiply, suppose instead of 6 we take 4, then what will happen with the order is 3, so when we write 5 in radicand 5 cube, इथे कोटी 3 आहे म्हणून जेव्हा आपण 5 करणीत लिहिणार आहोत तेव्हा 5 चा घन गुणिले 2, सिमिलर 4 cube into 3 is equal to 5 cube is 125, 5 चा घन 125, and 4 cube is 64 into 3. Now 125 into 2 is 250. Here 64 into 3, 3 4s are 12, carry 1, 3 6 are 18 and 1, 192. Their order is same. So we can compare the radicands. This is greater 1. So we can write 5 radicand 2 of order 3 is greater than 4 radicand 3 of order 3. Okay. You can solve the remaining examples like this. We will learn the next point in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye. Thank you.